to be in a relationship with a man who doesn't care about you, especially you are in a difficult times, because that person have to show up, you understand, that he loves you. Because guys, especially married men, they care about their wives, their families only. That person, he didn't care about you, guys. That shows that person cares about you. When you are in a difficult times, you understand, he can help you. Because to be a single mother, you understand, it's so difficult, guys, to be a single mother, and you are in a relationship with a person who doesn't support you, you understand, who doesn't care about you, even especially at end of the month, you understand. Maybe you guys, you don't have enough money to pay the bills, and you are in a relationship with a person who doesn't help you understand, to pay the bills. It's better, guys, to be single sometimes than to be in a relationship with a person who doesn't help you. Even he can't give you even 10 rand to buy a loaf of bread for your kids, you understand. He doesn't give you even 10 rand. Because sometimes you, maybe you are guys, sometimes you are self-employed, maybe you have a shop or something, but sometimes business is not okay. That person doesn't help you with a 10 rand to buy loaf, you understand, loaf of bread.